I hope everyone is doing well today. What I'm going to be doing today is factoring by decomposition. How does decomposition work? There we go. So to factor this using decomposition, the first thing you want to do, multiply the 3 and -6. So the product is -18, or multiplies to give you -18, and it adds to give me always the middle number there, the coefficient of x, which is -7. Now, the two numbers that do that for you, multiply to give you -18 and add to give you -7, is -9 and 2. So what we do, we rewrite this as 3x squared. Instead of -7x, I write -9x plus 2x, then -6 right there. So basically what you're doing, that -7x instead of -7x, now you write it as -9x plus 2x, which is exactly -7x. And at this stage, you break it right in the middle here. This is a binomial right here. From these two terms, you find the greatest common factor, which is 3x. And then you're going to get x minus 3 inside the brackets. And you do the same thing here from this binomial. The greatest common factor is 2. And you're going to get x minus 3. Now, if you look at this as you have two terms, this one here and this term right here. And these two terms, x minus 3 is also the greatest common factor. So you write that once, and then you get 3x plus 2 inside the brackets. So if you just want to know it, the x minus 3, you write it once in brackets, and then you collect the 3x plus 2 in one brackets, and that's your answer. Now, how about if it's here? So here what we have -6x squared minus 9x plus 15. The first thing you want to do is, if you have a greatest common factor in math, when you're factoring, you always want to take the greatest common factor out. So the greatest common factor here I see is -3, and I'm going to get 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Remember, when we take out the greatest common factor, that's a negative, it changes all the signs in here. Now I'm looking for what multiplies to give me -10. That's the 2 times the -5, and adds to give me the coefficient of x all the time. So that's 3. The two numbers that would do that for me is 5 and -2. They multiply to give me -10 and add to give me 3. And what you do is rewrite the -3, and just know that you're going to carry the -3 as part of the answer. Now, just let's take, sorry, there's a square there. Let's take this and start doing decomposition to this. So 2x squared, instead of plus 3x, you just write plus 5x minus 2x. And then you have the -5. So 5x minus 2x give you 3x, and these numbers came right from there. Now go right in the middle and break it in 2. Now take out the greatest common factor from here, and the greatest common factor from here is just x, and you're going to get 2x plus 5. From here, the only factor that you could take out is -1, and that's a sign changer, so you'll get 2x plus 5 in here. Always know when you're doing decomposition, this and this have to be the same, and also this and this have to be the same. So whatever's in the brackets when you do decomposition have to be the same, otherwise you're doing it wrong. And now you just write the 2x plus 5 once, and collect the x minus 1 in one bracket. But don't forget, we have -3 that has to tag along, and just throw that right there. And that is your final answer for that one. So thank you for watching. This is decomposition. It's a different way of factoring trinomials with a leading coefficient that's greater than 1, and you cannot factor it out. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye-bye.